Now in this we will discuss the next type of the numerical related to the mole concept, and the numerical is find the number of atoms of each type in 143 gram of washing soda. First of all, we have to write the molecular formula of the washing soda, that is Na2CO3 and 10 molecules of water. This is the molecular formula of the washing soda, and in 143 gram of washing soda we have to find the number of atoms of each type. In washing soda there are different types of atoms are present, that are sodium, carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. In this compound, in 143 gram we have to find how many sodium atoms, how many carbon atoms, how many oxygen atoms and how many hydrogen atoms are combined to form 143 gram of washing soda. As in this question, mass of washing soda is given to you and we have to find the number of atoms. So we have to put the relationship between molecular mass or molar mass of the compound and Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. We have to put the relationship between these two quantities. In this question we want to calculate the number of particles or number of atoms, so we put Avogadro number on the right hand side and molecular mass or the mass of the compound on the left hand side. So for this, first of all we have to calculate its molar mass, because in this question molar mass is used and we don't know the molar mass of the washing soda. So first of all we have to calculate the molar mass of the washing soda. So calculate. The mass of the sodium is 23, number of sodium are 2, plus mass of carbon 12, plus mass of oxygen 16 into number of oxygen, plus 10 into mass of hydrogen, number of hydrogen plus mass of oxygen. It comes out to be 46 plus 12 plus 48 plus 180. When you add these terms you got 286 gram. Means 286 is the molecular mass or molar mass of the washing soda. As in this question mass of the substance is given to you, so first of all we have to calculate the molar mass of the washing soda, that is 286 grams. And from the relationship, the molar mass of the compound is always equal to Avogadro number. But in this question we have to calculate the number of each types of the atom. In 286 gram of washing soda there are 2 moles of sodium, 1 mole of carbon, 3 moles of oxygen and 20 moles of hydrogen atoms are present. So let us calculate one by one these atoms. The molar mass of washing soda is 286. We know that in 286 gram of washing soda or washing soda there are 2 moles of sodium atoms, 1 mole of carbon, 3 plus 10, 13 moles of oxygen and 20 moles of hydrogen atoms are present. In 286 gram or 1 mole of washing soda, it consists of 2 moles of sodium atoms, 1 mole of carbon, 13 moles of oxygen and 20 moles of hydrogen atoms are present, and we have to calculate in 143 gram of washing soda. So let us calculate one by one each atom. So solve this for different atoms. From this relationship we know that 286 gram of washing soda has 2 moles of sodium. 2 moles means 2 into Avogadro number, and we have to calculate in 143 grams. Solve this for 143 grams of washing soda. We get 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 286 multiplied by 143. When we solve this, we get 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of sodium. Now from this we have calculated the number of the sodium atoms present in 143 gram. So write here the number of sodium, that are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of sodium. Next we have to calculate carbon. For carbon, we know that 286 gram of washing soda, it has 1 mole of carbon atoms. So solve this. 286 grams of washing soda has number of carbon, that is 1 mole. 1 mole means 1 into Avogadro number. Now solve this for 143 grams. It comes out to be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 286 multiplied by 143, and it comes out to be 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon. Now from this statement we have already calculated atoms of sodium as well as atoms of the carbon. So I write here the atoms of carbon, that is 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon. Next we have to calculate the number of oxygen atoms. In 286 gram of washing soda there are 13 moles of oxygen atom. So use this equation for oxygen also. As we know that 1 mole of washing soda has 13 moles, means 13 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen. And in 1 gram of washing soda there are 13 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 286, and we have to calculate in 143 gram. So put here 143, we get the answer for 143, and it comes out to be 39.143 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen. From this we have calculated that in 143 gram of washing soda there are 39.143 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen are present. So I write here the number of oxygen that are 39.143 into 10 raised to power 23. Now at the last we have to calculate the number of hydrogen atoms in this compound. So solve this equation in the similar way for the hydrogen atoms, and we know that 286 gram of washing soda has 20 moles of hydrogen atom. 20 moles means 20 into Avogadro number of hydrogen atoms. So solve this same equation for hydrogen atom and we got the number of hydrogen atom for 143 grams. This is equal to 20 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 divided by 286 multiply by 143, and we get the number of hydrogen atoms are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 24. Here 24 means 10 multiplied by 10 raised to power 23. I add 1 power into 23 so that it becomes 10 raised to power 24. These are the number of atoms of hydrogen. I write here the number of hydrogen atoms in the washing soda that are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 24. Hence, these are the different types of the atoms which are present in 143 grams of washing soda, that are 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 sodium, 3.011 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon, 39.143 into 10 raised to power 23 oxygen, and last one 6.022 into 10 raised to power 24 hydrogen atoms are present in 143 gram of the washing soda. I hope this question is clear to all of you.